Here is some students of class 7th. We are going to perform an activity on the topic awareness about the medicines.
My name is Yaspara sir. I study in class 7th. Our social science teacher Amit Ji is teaching the civics. The chapter name is the role of government in our health. Sir given the activity on the awareness about medicines and their uses. I am telling about for medicines and their uses. First is paracetamol. Paracetamol is used in high fever and adult can take 500 mg and child can take 250 mg of this tablet as directed by the physician. Second medicine is the omeprazole. Omeprazole is used in the acidity and ulcers of stomach, and the adult can take 40 mg and child can take 30 mg of this medicines as directed by the physician. Third is the metrogyl. Metrogyl work in the vomiting, diarrhea, and the thing what are affected by the sun. And the adult can take 450 mg and the children take 300 mg as directed by the physician. And the fourth medicine is the aspirin. Aspirin used in the heart attack. The adult can take 50 mg. The child does not take this medicine and the adult take as directed by the physician. Fifth medicine is the diclofenac. Diclofenac works in the pain of body and everything that you are interrupted in our body pain. The adult can take 100 mg and child can take 50 mg of this tablet as directed by the physician.
First is amoxicillin. It is used for treat the certain infection. Children take 350 mg and adult take 500 mg. Second is metformin. It is used to control the high blood pressure and sugar level. Children, this is not for children, and adult take 40 mg. Third is cetirizine. It is used for temporarily relieve the allergy, and adult take 20 mg and the children take 5 mg. Fourth is omeprazole, used to treat acidity, ulcers and heartburns. Adult dose 13 plus years can take 20 to 40 mg once daily. Children can take 0.7 to 3.5 mg once daily. Loratadine used to treat allergies. Adult dose 13 plus years can take 10 mg once daily. Children dose 2 to 12 years can take 5 mg once daily. Dextromethorphan used as a cough suppressant. Adult dose 13 plus years can take 20 to 40 mg once daily. Number 1 is NICE. NICE tablet is used in forehead pain. Child can take 50 mg and adult can take 100 mg. Second is Zentil. Zentil tablet is used in stomach bacteria. Children can take 20 mg and adult can take 50 mg. Number 3 is Atorvastatin. Atorvastatin is used to control the cholesterol level. Only adult can take it of 100 mg. Fourth is AC-Log. AC-Log tablet is used in stomach gas. Children dose is of 50 mg and adult is of 100 mg. Fifth is hydroxychloroquine. This tablet is used in malaria. Children can take 450 mg and adult can take 500 mg. Thank you class and school to giving us this wonderful opportunity.